Hi guys, Steph here. Take a look at this gorgeous pen. What a beautiful, beautiful pen. And I'm sure if some of you are reading the description, and obviously in the description it says Mosaic, you would have been expecting a slightly different pattern. First of all, what we've got is a Swan leverless pen. This model is the L245-47. Now, as it says in the description, the colour of this pen is what they termed as Mosaic. Now, the 245s, they came in, I think, another two different colours. One was a rose and russet marble. I think they also brought out a red, silver and bronze marble. But as I said, this one, for some strange reason, they called it the Mosaic. Absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, it's got, well, sort of marbling of golds, browns, black, and as you can see there, it's got these, well, I was going to say white. They're not actually white, they're actually cream veins running all round the pen. It's an absolutely stunning pen. A very, well, first of all, the Swan pens, they're a very sought after pen anyway, and secondly, this particular model is less common than a lot of them. So okay, it's not rare, but as I say, a lot less common than a lot of the models. As you can see, it comes with gold filled trim. This model is a clipless model. I do believe they had the same model with a clip, and also the sort of rings, the cap bands there were slightly different. Some of them I've actually seen with just one cap band. As you can see on this one, it has three cap bands, are slightly broader, and if you look at the middle band there, the broader one, it's sort of knurled all the way round, and to each side we've got a thin band to each side. So again, we've got this version, and as I said, the one with a single band, and obviously, as I just mentioned, with a clip. The size of this pen, from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel, it's a nice long 136 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, it's around about just over a tad over 11.5 millimeters in diameter. The date of this pen, again made by Mabie Todd Co Ltd, around about the 1930s, although it might be just slightly earlier, but for all intents and purposes I'm going to say the 1930s. The barrel imprint, lovely and clear. Let's bring it nice and close so you can read it, and it reads Swan leverless pen. Then underneath it's got a patent number, and then Mabie Todd Co Ltd, and then right to the end, to the bottom, we've got made in England. So there you can see a lovely clear barrel imprint, absolutely lovely. And one thing we've not mentioned, you can see it's got the sort of the Swan logo to the left of the imprint. Another imprint that we have on this pen, if I can sort of catch it over the camera, is that it there? A little bit difficult to see at a distance. Right, I'm going to have to get my, I've come very unprepared today. Let me see if I can see it a little bit closer. Where are you? There we go, there it is. So there we go, we've got the word Swan to the cap as well. There it is for you. So we've got the word Swan to the cap as well. To the very top of the cap there, we've got the Swan logo to the very top of the cap there. You can see to the top of the cap a little bit of discolouring, but I could have polished that out. I didn't want to, because I didn't want to sort of remove what's left of the Swan logo to the very top of the cap. And then if I turn it all the way around, as we said, it's a leverless, so it's got this knurled sort of knob at the end there. And again, if I show you the top, or sorry, the bottom of the pen, again you'll see the model number. It says L24-47. So we've got the model number to the knurled knob to the bottom there. And incidentally, while we're talking the knob here, to fill the pen, for you people that don't know, we simply turn the knob as far as it'll go. At this point, a bar inside will catch the sack inside, sort of screw it up, and then once we turn the knob all the way back home again, the bar will go to its original position, and the sack will also go to its original position and inflate and take in the ink. So all in all, as I said, gorgeous pen, very sought after, rather uncommon. You don't see these come along very often, well, especially in this condition. So let's take you up to the section. We've got the section there, very typical of a Swan section of the period, quite long. It's got this ridge towards the end there, towards the nib, and some way, again I'm not going to look for it, but I'll turn it round, it has the word Swan on the section. Let's take you to the nib, and there we've got the nib, okay, which is a Swan Mabie Todd #2 nib, again made in England, 14 carat. There's a sideways view. If we turn it round, you can see the feed there, lovely and clean. And again, if we just catch the light, you will also see that it's got the word Swan on the feed as well. So all in all, repeating myself, absolutely gorgeous pen, quite a long pen, so very comfortable to hold, especially with this section. Now what we'll do, I'm not going to fill the pen because I've put a brand new sack in it, so what I'm going to do is simply dip the pen and let's just see how the pen writes. So what we have for you is a Swan leverless, as we said, this one being the L245-47, made in England. Let's just give it another little dip. How's it writing? Very nicely indeed, and writing, as you can clearly see, with a fine nib. We're dating the pen, as we said, 1930s. Does it have any flex? I would say just a tiny bit, but I would say it's writing quite simply with a fine line. There we have it, writing very nicely indeed. There we go. Let's pop that to one side and put the cap back on. We'll clean it after the video. And there we have it. an absolutely gorgeous, stunning Swan Leverless pen L245-47 in this stunning gold, brown, blacks with cream veins running throughout the pen in beautiful condition. And as we said, this pattern is what they termed as Mosaic. Stunning, love it. I hope you've enjoyed the pen as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. Don't forget, leave a comment below. Don't be shy. Have you subscribed? If not, you should know by now. Subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, people, give it a thumbs up. A lot of you people forget. Just give the video a thumbs up so I can see that you enjoyed the video. And don't forget, wherever you are around the world, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.